how the noun is doing. For those things, this verb is looking after. Okay. What I am doing now? Teaching. I am teaching. So this is the action. What I am doing now. Again, verb is divided into helping verbs and main verb. Helping verb and the main verb. Helping verbs are two types. Again, main verbs are two types. Main verbs are two types. Helping verb is with primary auxiliaries, modal auxiliaries. It is called primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. So, these primary auxiliaries are together be forms, do forms, and have forms. Be forms, do forms, and have forms. If you see in the be, being, it is the three forms of the verb form. Be, being. Okay, do, did, done, doing. Do, did, done, and doing. Again, do forms are these. Do, did, done. Again, do, present tense, yes form, third person singular, does is used. So, here does form it is. Do, did, done. Okay, here it is does for do. Again, have forms. If you see, have, has, said, had, having. So, here has, have, first person, have, second person have, third person singular has. So has. Again, if you see here, had is the past form. Again, past participle, third form also had. Okay, na? Do you understand? Okay, like that. Again, if you see here, modal auxiliaries, these are called. Modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries. Here we will come across the words like shall, will, can, may, must, need to. Again, past forms of these words are shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, had to, need to, ought to. Need to, ought to. Like that it will be changing. So this is called helping verbs. Everything is called as a helping verb. Okay, na? Helping verbs. These are all. Here I am teaching. A sentence is there. Yam is there. Ham is a helping verb. Teaching is a main verb. Teaching is a main verb. If you see here, main verbs are divided into two types. How this is do, does, third person singular, same present tense form, past form did, again past participle, third form done, again last one is doing. Before it is called as doing or acting, teaching, playing, crying, weeping. These all will be coming under this. Again, finite verb. These two are called as finite verbs. These two are called as a non-finite verbs. Finite verbs and the non-finite verbs. Do you understand? These two are called as a finite verbs. These two are called as a non-finite verbs. So, these non-finite verb again divided into three types. Just you hear this one. You need not to, just you have to understand. Only that is. Transitive sentence, intransitive and linkers. Transitive, intransitive, linking verb. Again, here, this is finite verb, is divided like that. Again, non-finite verb is non-finite verbs are gerunds, participle, infinite. Infinite. Again, this participle again divided into present participle, past participle, and again this infinitive. Infinitive is again changing into to infinitive and bare infinitive. To infinitive and bare infinitive. Like that. Till here you have to remember this part, again this part you have to remember. Right till there only. Okay? Hello?
Sir.
Who is that? Sir?